Hello kids! How are you today? Are you good? Today we are going to play a game, okay? I'm going to show you the animals and you have to say what animal does that sound, okay? So let's go. What animal makes that sound? Is the cat or the dog? Is the cat or the dog? Very good, it's the dog. Now, what animal does that sound? Is the cat or the duck? Very good, guys. It's the cat. What animal makes that sound? Is the cow or the duck? Very good, guys. It's the cow. Now, what animal makes that sound? Is the duck or the chicken? Very good, guys. It's the duck. Now, what animal does that sound? Is the horse or the chicken? Very good. It's the chicken. Now, what animal does that sound? Is the horse or is the sheep? Very good, guys. It's the horse. Now, what animal makes that sound? Is the sheep or the cow? Very good, guys. It's the sheep. So, that's it for today, kids. I hope you enjoy our game. Bye bye, guys, and see you.